Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Guys, yesterday I did not upload a market analysis video because I was kind of busy. Let's see what happened today. So we have already marked our levels in Nifty, Bank Nifty, US oil and everywhere. Okay, so let's quickly go into it. This was a trend line which got broken today. It got broken today, which is really good. I'm getting rid of it. 1 hour time frame, if I see, I will definitely add a trend line here. Okay, definitely add a trend line just because there are two touches here and this trend line was very much valid, which got broken today. Let me remove this off. So what are my actions for tomorrow? So this was in Bank Nifty. Okay, this is a Nifty. So what are my actions for tomorrow? Let's see, this was a trend line in 1 hour time frame which got broken today very clearly, which was broken. A retest can be expected. So tomorrow my actions will be, if market gives a pullback up, see this is a bearish candle. This green candle is actually a bearish candle because you see the tail on the back. That is the only reason it's a bearish candle, nothing. From morning market was sideways. After 2:30 it pushed down. Okay, that means sellers are activated here. Okay, after 2:30 sellers are activated here. So most probably tomorrow we can, if there is a follow through, okay, it will be good. We can see a good sell off till for 21,540. We can definitely see it. Okay, but for me my entry will be if it breaches below 21,665 and below. I will be looking forward to sell it, and my target will be 21,540. Okay, on the upper side, I don't know, I have to wait for the price action. It has to go about 21,800 and above and sustain. Only then I'll be looking forward to buy. Till then I don't have any buy setups. Okay, so this is a trend line, which is pretty good. If it breaks, then we can see in good upward momentum, but till then let's hold on to this is the setup for tomorrow. Okay, next is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also the same thing. Market opened today, it was totally sideways, and after this sideways we can expect a good momentum. But I won't be trading in this gap. So basically this 140 points I'll be letting it go. It's simply because it might get volatile here, unnecessarily eating stop losses. So these are my levels for next one. Okay, so if Bank Nifty breaks below 45,520 or 45,535 and below, I'll be looking forward to sell it. Okay, buying we can definitely look above 46,240 and above. Till then we don't have any buying, we have only selling. It's because of this sell off and then it's a pause. There is a very high possibility that it can come off for a sell off again. Next is US oil. So US oil, this trend line got broken. If you guys see, this trend line got broken on 31st, and after that market kept falling for a very long time. In here it is volatile, it is taking a pause, it gapped up and again it started coming down. So this is a good level for us to short it again. So if market comes below $71.90 and below, I will be looking forward to sell it, and my target will be at $71.35. Okay, this is just a 1:4 trade because we already captured big momentum here, so we are not expecting more. Next is gold. We had a very good stop loss and then market fell very recklessly. Now this trend line has been broken and retest is done. So I did not enter here. It's simply because there are a lot of resistance here. These recent resistance, at least I want it to be taken out. Like this resistance has to be taken out for me to go for a sell. Okay, because from here it can bounce back again. So if it breaches below 2011, I'll be looking forward to sell it, and my target will be, this will be my target, 2000. Okay, 2002 will be my target. So we have 5 stocks for swing trading. First is Tata Steel. This was our trend line first, which got breached, but this selling did not survive, so it went back again to the trend line. So according to me, this trend line is valid. So tomorrow, this is not a very strong buy candle, but this is a very good candle. This is a positive candle. Okay, because we can see VIX on both the side, but selling is there. So tomorrow we might get a good price also. So if I get a price of 140 to 142, I'll be definitely looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at 138 or 139. Okay, next is GMR Infra. GMR Infra in a monthly time frame, if you guys see, this is a monthly resistance which got broken now and it has survived. So it is forming some kind of a pattern here. If I get a price of just a minute, if I get a price of 88 rupees to 83 rupees, I'll be looking forward to buy it. The upside target, I don't know, we only trailer stop losses. Okay, so this is where I'm looking forward to buy. Next is Reddington also on a weekly time frame. This is a recent resistance which got broken. So if I get a price of 204 to 209, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at 185 or 186. Okay, next is Arhan Capital. This is a very good trend line. This trend line is broken now, so we can definitely expect a pullback tomorrow, a small pullback. If I get a price of 77 rupees to 78 rupees, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at 71 rupees. Okay, next is Intel Conveyors. This was its all-time high which got broken now. Then again it tried breaking, but it came down, it got broken here. So if I get a price of 109 to 110, I'll be looking forward to buy this, and my stop loss will be at 100 rupees. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys got something to learn from this video. So this is just my analysis, this is not a tip or a recommendation. So there are many stocks which have performed extremely well, which I have traded. I will post a video on that on Friday. Okay, so thank you so much. If you guys like my content, please like, share and subscribe. Your support is the only way for me to grow. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.